Have you ever been somewhere with little or no internet, but you needed to tell someone exactly where you were? This simple iPhone trick can help someone find your precise location even when you can't share a live location. Let me show you how it works. For this, we need the Compass app. But before we open the Compass app, we need to make sure everything is set up correctly. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps, then find and open Compass. Tap Location, make sure while using the app is selected, and also make sure Precise Location is turned on. These settings allow the Compass app to determine your exact location as accurately as possible. Now open the Compass app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your GPS coordinates, which are your latitude and longitude. These coordinates identify your exact location. Simply tap and hold the GPS coordinates to copy them. If your iPhone doesn't let you copy them directly, don't worry, just take a screenshot. Open it in the Photos app, then tap and hold the GPS coordinates in the image to copy the text using live text. Next, open the Messages app and choose the person you want to send your location to and paste the GPS coordinates into the conversation, send the message, and that's it. On the other person's iPhone, all they need to do is copy those GPS coordinates from the message. Then they can open Apple Maps or Google Maps, tap the search bar, paste the coordinates and search. The map will immediately take them to your precise location. This can be incredibly useful in many situations. If you're hiking or camping and have a weak internet connection, you can still let someone know exactly where you are. If your car breaks down on a remote road, you can send your location to a family member or roadside assistance. It's also helpful if you're exploring a new place, traveling in an area with poor signal, or if you're ever in an emergency and need someone to find you as quickly as possible. Knowing this simple trick could save valuable time when every minute matters. If you found this iPhone tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more useful iPhone tips and tricks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.